We're here at the Howard Johnson Anaheim, and we're going to be giving you a property tour today.
I'm Kara.
I'm Adam.
Eric's holding the camera, and we are the insiders. And here at the Howard Johnsons, we're only a 10-minute walk from Disneyland.
Let's go.
Hey everyone, so I'm Eric and I'm behind the camera, but yeah, we're only an 8-minute walk to Disneyland. It's really awesome. It's right there behind us. But today we're actually showing you a property of Hojo. There's building 1 and 2, and then there's even the bungalow buildings. So we're gonna be showing you everything. Let's go. Right up the stairs is the lobby. It's where you check in. It's super awesome. It's across from building 1 and the staff is super nice.
Right behind me is Building 1 and the Mid-Mod Market. In the Mid-Mod Market, they sell like snacks and essential stuff, but they also have awesome Disney merchandise, including lounge flies.
Outside of building 1 to the left is the water park.
This is something that everyone is going to love. Right behind me is the water park.
Castaway Cove.
Who doesn't love water parks? And it's pirate themed.
Right? It's perfect. Come on.
Let's go check out the water park.
The Castaway Cove water park at Howard Johnson's is so awesome. It has the iconic bucket that dumps on you. Oh my gosh, I love that thing. There's water cannons, there's water slides. It's really great. And if you keep walking this way, you'll be at the giant orange Hojo chair, which is super awesome. There's always some sort of decoration here. Right now it's spring, so we have this Easter basket. It's awesome. And there's even an Easter egg hunt going on. And if you exit Castaway Cove and turn left, you'll get to buildings 3 through 6. These are awesome. They're only 2 stories high.
They're great for economy pricing. They're 2 stories with no elevator, but they have a great view of the fireworks at night.
Yes, you have a great view. You have the skylights if you're on the top floor. They're lots of fun.
On the website, they're called the Standard Room, so keep an eye out for that.
So you have an awesome courtyard right here. It is a very pleasant walk. All right, so we're walking around right now. These buildings are awesome. There's no elevators inside, but all the upstairs rooms have the awesome skylights. This is where everything kind of meets. The orange chair in building 1 is over there. Behind me is Castaway Cove. Over here is parking. And back this way is building 2 and the garden pool. You keep walking past buildings 5 and 6, and you eventually end up at building 2 and the garden pool. Welcome to building 2.
So we made it into building 2, which is right by the garden pool.
Building 2 is awesome. All the rooms are newly renovated, and it's home to the House of the Retro Future.
Let's go check it out.
Building 2 is awesome. There are tons of rooms back here, and it's right next to the garden pool, which I think we should go check out.
Yeah.
Right next to Building 2 is the garden pool, which is such a fun area. It's beautiful, it's right in the sun, and it's perfect for like a nice sunny day on your vacation.
And as always, my favorite photo op here at the Howard Johnson Anaheim is the giant orange chair.
I heart Hojo, it's very true, and it's the best place to stop for a photo here.
If you guys have a photo here in the orange chair, be sure to tag at Hojo Anaheim because they would love to see it.
And if you want to stay at the Hojo Anaheim, then you've got to check out the link in the description. That's one of the best rates you can get on rooms. It's a great time to stay.
I'm Adam.
I'm Kara.
I'm Eric.
And we are
The Insiders, and we share the magic every day.
And this was the Howard Johnson's Anaheim property tour. So be sure to subscribe to Hojo Anaheim.
Subscribe to the channel for more content about this awesome hotel, and we'll see you all very soon.
Bye.